the most healing water for your thyroid, brain, and liver. People have recognized and valued the amazing healing properties of turmeric for centuries, and this powerful anti-inflammatory herb can boost health in numerous ways. It has an impressive nutritional profile, and according to Dr. Axe, 1 tablespoon, 7 grams, of ground turmeric contains about 23.9 calories, 4.4 grams carbohydrates, 0.5 gram protein, 0.7 grams fat, 1.4 grams fiber, 0.5 milligram manganese, 26% Dv, 2.8 milligrams iron, 16% Dv, 0.1 milligram vitamin B6, 6% Dv, 170 milligrams potassium, 5% Dv, 1.7 milligrams vitamin C, 3% Dv, 13 milligrams magnesium, 3% Dv. Turmeric benefits come from these nutrients, along with its smaller amount of vitamin E, vitamin K, niacin, folate, calcium, phosphorus, zinc and copper. Turmeric water is one of the best ways to reap the benefits of this spice, and all you have to do is to add some turmeric to a glass of warm water. Stir and drink while warm. Here are the effects of the regular consumption of this drink every morning. 1. Prevents cancer. Multiple published studies found that curcumin fights against cancers of the breast, prostate, liver, colon, lung, and pancreas. It does so by preventing cancer cells from dividing. 2. Protects your liver. Turmeric has been found to effectively protect the liver against toxic damage, and even regenerate damaged liver cells. Turmeric also encourages the natural production of bile, and improves overall function of the gallbladder, another body-purifying organ. 3. Protects your brain. Turmeric contains powerful curcuminoid and other potent antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and prevent damage to brain cells. 4. Gets rid of pain and inflammation. Chronic inflammation leads to many diseases and health issues. Did you know that curcumin in turmeric is very anti-inflammatory? It is so unbelievably effective that it matches and even succeeds the effectiveness of most anti-inflammatory drugs and pain medication. 5. Heals and restores your thyroid, turmeric for hypothyroidism and more. People who are diagnosed with hypothyroidism can benefit from intake of turmeric as well. With most chronic health conditions, inflammation is a huge factor. This is especially true with those people who have autoimmune thyroid conditions such as Graves' disease and Hashimoto's thyroiditis. Adding turmeric is one of the best options available for helping to reduce inflammation. One study discovered that treatment with turmeric extract reduced atrophy of the thyroid gland, which is necessary for reduction of thyroid hormone levels. In addition, treatment with turmeric lowered high cholesterol levels,